In this video, we are going to see that if you want to find your Windows 11 product key, there are two methods that works. So you can try any one of them. So the first method is you open up the start menu and right here CMD. We need to right click and run as administrator. And once that is open, let me just zoom it a little bit so that you can see everything clearly. And I'll mention this command in the description, so you can check that out. So you just copy it from the description, paste it right here. So if the first method works for you, that is great, but like in this case, it doesn't work. So what you can do is just move on to the second method. So you go to the search for second method and right here regedit, hit enter, click yes to open it. And from here we head over to HKey local machine, then expand the software. And from here, just find Microsoft. Here it is, expand it. And here we need to find Windows NT. So if you have a lot of folders, like in this case, we just select any one of them and just press W. It will directly take you to the W category where you can easily find it. So here's Windows NT. And from here, just expand that. For the current version, we expand that as well. And from here, again, we have a lot of folders. So we select any one of them and press S. That will take you to the S category. And here we will click on software protection platform, choose that, and then expand it. You click on genuine apps. And from here, you will see your key next to backup product key default. Here you have your key mentioned. So obviously I have blurred this for security reasons, but that is how you can find your specific product key for your version of Windows. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.